What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about Optimism, which has gained over 30% in value in the last 24 hours, currently sitting at $2.35. So we're going to be going through its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023. How high can this crypto go? Can it hit $5, $10, $15, $20? How high can it go? And looking at, is it worth investing into it right now? Should you wait for it to drop back down in value? Should you sell it, take out your profits and reinvest whenever it drops in value? Covering both buyers and sellers point of view, and essentially looking at its prediction over the next couple of overall for the whole year basically. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you can see, we are currently on the Coinbase website. The market is up nearly 7% in the last 24 hours, with Bitcoin hitting $23,000 finally guys, after a good couple of months, meaning it's performing quite well at the moment. And yes, the market is up. As you can see, Ethereum is up 6%, Bitcoin is up 10%, ADA 10%. Yeah, so the crypto market is booming today, with Optimism as a third top gainer in the last 24 hours according to Coinbase. So in the last hour, it has gained just about 0.2%, over the last day 30%, over the week 36%, and over the month a massive 143% in a single month, which is absolutely insane. And we can see most of the increases in value did start on the 1st of January 2023, and which is still ongoing right now. Yes, it's had its dips here and there in between, but yeah, overall it has been performing very well over the last 3 weeks. So going into the CoinMarketCap website, here we can see the trading volume has also gone up by a massive 336% in the last 24 hours, making it $581 million in trading, which is a huge amount of money currently being traded in Optimism. We're seeing a lot more buyers, as it has been getting a lot of attention, as well as a lot of sellers selling the crypto and potentially reinvesting their profits whenever it drops back down. But yeah, the point is that it's getting a lot of attention, a lot of hype, and more traders. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using now to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So at the top here, we've also got the purple line running across the chart, which gives us the average value of Optimism here in purple, which is $1.53. However, we can see Optimism is trading at much higher value here in red at $2.35, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, just a little disclaimer as usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we can see the blue and the orange line are both looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning a minimal drop in value is what is expected from Optimism over the coming hours. So let's say over the next 12 to 14 hours, towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I'm expecting Optimism to drop down in value a little bit, nothing major, potentially down to about $2.15 to $2.20 is where I'm expecting the crypto to be trading by the end of the day today and early hours of tomorrow. However, that does not mean we're not going to see any more pumps. Yes, I'm also expecting it to pump up in value over the next couple of hours, over the next 3, 4, 5 hours. I'm expecting it to pump up to about 260, 270, and then I'm expecting it to drop down to about $2.20 over the next 12 to 14 hours. Is going to be volatile, but the overall outcome seems to slightly be more on the negative side. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, we have still got the blue and the orange line looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction. However, what I am expecting over the next couple of days, so let's say over the next week or so, is an overall minimal increase in value, heading to about the $3 mark is what I'm expecting by the end of next week. So over the next week or so, do expect the crypto to be trading just above the $3 mark. And again guys, that does not mean we're going to be consistently hitting green days for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. We are going to have days when it's green and positive, and days when it's red and negative, but clearly the green days are likely to overtake the red days, meaning an overall increase in value is what I'm expecting over the next week. Moving on to the big boy daily chart, what can we see here? The blue and the orange line are both looking bullish, heading towards a positive direction. As you can see, they have taken a complete U-turn now, meaning an overall increase in value is what I'm expecting from Optimism over the coming weeks. So here I'm talking about mid-March to late March 2023. I'm expecting Optimism to be trading around the $5 mark, guys. Yes, it may seem like it's going to be a huge increase or a massive pump, but giving it a good 8 to 10 weeks time, we should be able to easily hit the $5 mark, especially on how the crypto market has been performing over the last 3 weeks. Is giving me hope that it should easily be able to hit the $5 mark, unless of course we go for a major crash or a major bull run. We may be able to hit $5 way after or way before, depending on crashes and pumps and so on. But anything like that I can predict, I will make sure to keep you guys updated as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But yeah, Optimism, so far so good, guys. For those of you asking, is it a good time to invest into it right now? It clearly depends on if you're a long-term or short-term trader. If you're a short-term trader, personally, I wouldn't invest into it right now because I'm expecting it to drop back down in value, as I mentioned earlier. However, if you are for the long term, yes, it may be a good time to invest. However, I would wait for it to drop down in value, because why not wait for it to drop a little bit before you invest into it, unless you're like me and do dollar cost averaging. So again, guys, it's dollar cost averaging. How it works is basically, if you've got $100 to invest, I will spread it out across 10 days, $10 every day. You get the average. Say it drops back down in value, then yes, you can make use of it. However, if it does gain, unlucky, but again, it's going to be the average. It's going to be up and down. At the end of the day, you're paying the average when you're dollar cost averaging. But again, that's something I use. Again, some people don't, some people like to use it, but again, it's up to you however you want to divide or invest your money into crypto. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. As you can see, we have broken out from the red zone, guys, and we were literally on the red zone about 10 days ago. Broke out into the green zone and broke out the dark green zone, and yes, we did break out the dark green zone earlier today, heading into the blue zone, but as you can see, it resisted and dropped back down into the dark green zone. So hopefully by mid to late next week, we should be able to head into the blue zone as well. So breaking out from this target, heading towards around the $3 mark and potentially heading to the top tier level by mid to late March. But again, if you guys want regular updates on Optimism, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to keep you guys updated on a regular basis, about 3-4 times a week on this crypto. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Optimism, guys. What I want you guys to do now is let me know in the comment section down below, what is the highest figure you guys predict Optimism to be hitting in 2023. Let me know in the comment section down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, guys, I'm going to end the video here. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. So please, guys, make sure to hit that subscribe button, as it's free to do so. So why not help me out? And yeah, I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.